What's that? What's that in YouTube? It's your boy King of Hustle coming back at y'all with another reaction video. Man, I hope y'all Thursday has been a positive, been a blessed Thursday or whatever. You know, the weekend is right around the corner. You guys got to survive just one more day. Come tomorrow, be Friday or whatever. You know, just hope y'all, stay prayed up and blessed up, man. There's a lot of crazy things going on in this world, man. I know we just heard about another school shooting out there in Tulsa, Oklahoma, I think it was. And just had a crazy shooting here in Texas, in Uvalde in Texas, man. God rest them souls, man. They ain't deserve that though, man. But these are crazy times that we living in, and folks are just giving up and not caring no more, man. That's just the way of the world right now. That's just how it is. But I will say though, man, y'all do stay strapped up, man. I don't condone violence in no way, shape, or form. But I always believe in you got a right to protect yourself, man, because you don't know what be on folk mind these days or what fool you gonna run across, you know what I'm saying? So, but anyway though, on this channel as well, I know I got some cool things coming for y'all. Y'all tune in, let me know if, like I said, I will be dropping videos about, real estate and about, stock trading and options trading and stuff like that. So, if you guys got any questions or concerns about those particular businesses, please comment down below. Subscribe to the channel, of course, like this video, comment, share it, or whatever you find it to be good. If you don't, I really don't give two shits. But for those who want to be entertained by some of this cool stuff, well, hey, this shit ain't cool. It's just the stuff I'm gonna be doing is gonna be cool, as far as being positive, being productive. That's gonna be cool. But just stuff like this here, people doing crash dummy stuff, that ain't cool. But anyway, I'm done talking y'all head off, man. Let's go and get into this video. Ain't got no volume on this bad boy. Attempted to stop a vehicle, yellow Ford Mustang. So somebody want to clown in the Mustang. You know what I'm saying? But that don't. There he is right there. You trying to act a fool in the Stang, man? Come on, man. Really, bro? He's out there clowning, just doing dumb stuff just to be doing it. Look at that there. This clown running through yellow light. That could have called a wreck right there. That's crazy, man.
It's as crystal clear as the Caribbean Ocean. I just made 109 trades and
Man, this video kind of lame, man, with all this volume stuff, man. What's up with that? He gonna drive right by him. He get ducking and weaving. That boy must be on that good or something. That clown tripping. I don't know what kind of psycho. I ain't gonna catch that dude. That dude can hurt somebody, man. Look like everybody out at the park with their family having a good time chilling. He got this clown ass wanting to do stupid stuff, man. What y'all doing? Playing Ring Around the Rosie with this guy, man? This boy wanna go head on with him. That boy tripped out. That boy on some good. He must be on some good, man. And you doing like it's like a family fun park or something. You out there tripping like that. 23-year-old Commodore Cornelius. I don't know. His name is Commodore. Your parents gave you that jacked up. Your parents screwed you up with a name like that off top. Commodore. Look at this, man.
hold on. You see a yellow
How y'all gonna ask the public for help, man? Come on now, man. Y'all need to get y'all investigative stuff together, man. How y'all got 2 cars and y'all let this boy? Public enemy said it best. 911's a joke. Damn, I just told my age there, didn't I? You like that? Like, if they at the dude's house or something? Oh, that's probably what they were doing, letting dude think like he was gonna make it. They probably had a spot on that dude and let him think that he was gonna be alright or whatever. And they caught that boy. Man, don't tell me at this dude's house. I don't see the car. Damn, got the dude's full name and everything. So the dude must have had a record of prior or something. Damn, so dude ought to have some priors. He was already in their system already. Suspended license. And dude got warned. And you out there clown like that, dude? Damn, this is what I'm talking about, a bona fide crash dummy. This is a bona fide crash dummy, man. They at this guy's house. He come with the BS. Yeah, I'm trying to tell. Trying to play them boys for a dummy. Boy, that story sound like a bunch of crud. Man, y'all snatch a little behind, dog. That's him right there, cuz. They already spotted that it was a dude in the car, not no female. So this dude finna lie on this gal, get this gal for... Oh, man, you talking about loyalty, boy. People ain't got no loyalty no more these days, man. They... To save yourself, you gonna throw your gal under the bus, man. To save yourself, man. That was some punk stuff. Man, you let them guys BS you that long. Bro, you should have known something was wrong, man. Do that shit all the more. Man, that's you got to be the dumbest.
Anything you say can will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to consult with a lawyer before questioning and to have a lawyer present with you during questioning. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you at public expense before or during questioning if you so wish. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present,
I mean, yeah, you gotta read the guys right, but my God, you don't know that by now. How to?
and the right to ask for and have a lawyer at any time you wish, including during a question. And you understand these rights by what you do?
Read that boy writes off a card. I got to be the most. Oh my God, dog. I don't know what you call that one though, cuz that's that nigga writes off a card.
See me literally here.
So what was going on with that? Yeah, we're not saying you're lying, but why would they have the probable cause to tell us about that?
I don't know. Girlfriend has the car, like I told you. I let her use my
Nah,
car.
nigga, you probably took that car and hid that mug somewhere. Took it to your mama house or something.
No.
Who was driving?
With what?
Driving your car.
My girlfriend was just driving my car.
She should be the one arrested for the pursuit.
What one? I don't know.
You can't even play stupid, boy. Come on, man. Think. See, that's guilty right there, man. I'm talking about you couldn't even. I mean, you had every opportunity to say, you know, man, you know,
I'm gonna take it right off.
you know that your gal was driving. You gonna sit up here. You didn't put up no fight. You didn't put up no fuss, no nothing. Cause when they hit you with the whole gal thing, saying that your gal should be the one that should be arrested, you go cold turkey, man. Dead giveaway. Foolish, man. Foolish. Foolish.
Dude, stop.
Oh, now you want to get mad. Now you want to get booked now. You realize that ass is gone. Now you want to get booked now.
So he's paying her to say that.
I'm gonna grab your gun when I get out.
Oh, no. Now you talking. That boy talking crash dummy talk now. Man, get the dogs on that young man. He needs some act right in his life. That's what it is. He needs some act right.
So he is a suspect in a 1080 from Manitowoc. They're going to be forwarding the paperwork over shortly. They didn't file anything.
I'm sorry, man. This got to be one of the biggest dummies to ever walk God's green earth, man. You know what? I hate people like that, man. They want to act all innocent and want to, you know, act like as if though they the victim. Then you get caught up. You're not acting civilized once they handcuffed you and threw you in the back. Now all of a sudden you get booked now. Come on, man. Hey, y'all comment down below. Let me know y'all thoughts about this guy, man. Was he a crash dummy? In fact, y'all comment down below. Crash dummy or is he a fool? Well, he both in my book, but you know, y'all comment, let me know what y'all think, man. Like, subscribe to the channel, man. I'm out, man. I don't know what to say about this, but I don't know what to say about this clown, dude. Y'all be it, man. Y'all stay lit, man.